Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video, and in today's video we're going to see whether or not the Ulanzi CU01 thermostatic semiconductor camera cooling kit actually allowed me to record for a longer period using my Sony a5100 in video mode. This video is not sponsored, and I purchased the Ulanzi CU01 cooling kit with my own money, but I am a Ulanzi fan. I recently made and uploaded a video on the hack I used to be able to attach the Ulanzi CU01 cooling system to the rear of my Sony a5100. If you're interested in knowing more about that hack, please check out the video up here in the link. So as I'm sure you know, the Sony a5100 has an issue where it overheats and shuts off before it reaches the maximum record limit time, which is 29 and a bit minutes. In fact, mine recently overheated at 21 and at 24 minutes. So I found this Ulanzi CU01 cooling unit online for less than $30 US. After finding a way to attach it to the rear of my a5100 quite securely, I decided to do a test to see whether or not this CU01 would allow me to record for a longer period than the 21 and 24 minutes which I had recorded previously before overheating and shutdown. Now, in the video about the hacks, I explained that I installed an app in my a5100 which allowed me to deactivate the maximum time limit for recording. So the time limit of 29 and a bit minutes has now disappeared. I did the test using 1080p at 50 frames per second, and my screen brightness was set to middle brightness. I left the battery cover closed, as well as the door to the USB-C and HDMI ports. So let's take a look. As you can see in this photo, my Sony a5100 was still recording at 1 hour, 4 minutes and 37 seconds with 14% battery left. In fact, it continued until 1 hour, 7 minutes and 46 seconds and then shut down due to overheating, but I realized that it had overheated because the CU01 had turned off because the battery had discharged in the unit. That meant that using the CU01 cooling unit with the speed setting set to automatic, I was able to get nearly 43 minutes extra recording time, and I probably would have got more if the battery hadn't run out on the cooling unit itself. From 24 minutes up to 1 hour and almost 8 minutes. So if you ask me, am I happy with my Ulanzi CU01 cooling unit? The answer is yes. And would I recommend it to you? Again, the answer is yes. Not only does it fit on the rear of a number of cameras with fully articulated mirrors, but there's also that hack which you can use to attach it to the Sony a5100. And I'm even happier now with the improved performance which my Sony a5100 offers me. You'll find affiliate links to all the gear used in the making of this video, as well as to the Ulanzi CU01 cooling kit system in the description section down below. If you decide to purchase something through one of my affiliate links, thank you. The price to you will be the same, and I will receive a small commission which will help me to continue creating content for you here on my channel. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. I always read your comments and I always answer them. And if you found this video interesting and useful, please click on the like button, share it with friends and family who may find this content interesting. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and ring on that notification bell to be notified every time a new video drops on my channel. Until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe.